Did you know the right PC case can dramatically improve cooling, cable management, and upgrade potential? In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best mid-tower PC cases that offer the perfect balance of performance, features, and value. Stay tuned until the end to discover our overall winner, and remember, all the links are in the description below. Kicking off our list is the bequiet Pure Base 501 Black, a mid-tower designed for users who value silence as much as performance. While many modern cases focus aggressively on airflow and RGB lighting, the PureBase 501 takes a more refined approach with two pre-installed low-noise fans, excellent build quality, USB 3.2 connectivity, and a clean design that fits equally well in a gaming room or professional workspace. In real-world use, it delivers impressive cooling while maintaining the quiet acoustic profile that bequiet products are known for. Compared to airflow-focused competitors like the CORSAIR 4000D Airflow, the PureBase 501 sacrifices a little cooling headroom in exchange for noticeably quieter operation. It may not be the flashiest option on this list, but for users who want a peaceful computing experience without compromising quality, it's an excellent choice and a strong start to our countdown. If airflow and modern hardware support are your priorities, the DARKROCK EC2 immediately raises the bar. Featuring a tempered glass, side panel, USB Type-C connectivity, support for up to 8 120mm fans, and room for a 360mm radiator, this case is built to handle powerful gaming and productivity systems. Compared with the quieter PureBase 501, the EC2 shifts its focus toward cooling flexibility and hardware expansion. The spacious interior makes installation straightforward, while the modern layout leaves plenty of room for future upgrades. Although competitors like the Montec Air 903 Max may include more fans from the factory, the EC2 delivers a cleaner design and excellent compatibility for builders who want a capable platform without overspending. For gamers planning future upgrades, it's a very compelling package. NZXT has built a reputation for clean, builder-friendly cases, and the H5 Flow 2024 continues that tradition beautifully. This compact ATX mid-tower combines strong airflow with exceptional cable management and a sleek, minimalist appearance. Equipped with a ventilated front panel, two included 120mm fans, support for large radiators, and a tempered glass side panel, the H5 Flow offers one of the most balanced building experiences available today. Compared to the DARKROCK EC2, the H5 Flow provides a more polished cable management system and a smaller footprint, while the EC2 offers slightly broader cooling expansion. In real-world gaming builds, temperatures remain impressively controlled, and the tidy interior makes assembly easier than many competing cases. If you're a first-time builder or simply appreciate clean design, the H5 Flow remains one of the strongest contenders in its category. Now, we're moving into showcase territory. The MUSETEX Y6 stands out immediately thanks to its striking 270-degree tempered glass design that puts your components front and center. Along with USB Type-C support and 4 pre-installed stalled fans, it offers strong airflow and an eye-catching presentation without requiring additional investments in cooling. Compared to the NZXT H5 Flow, the Y6 prioritizes aesthetics and visibility, while the H5 focuses more on cable management and airflow optimization. In daily use, the Y performs 6 surprisingly well, keeping temperatures under control while giving builders a panoramic view of their hardware. For gamers who want their PC to be a centerpiece rather than something hidden under a desk, the MUSETEX Y6 delivers excellent value. CORSAIR enters the list with one of the most feature-rich showcase cases available today. The 3500 XR's ARGB combines panoramic tempered glass, 3 pre-installed ARGB fans, GPU anti-sag support, and reverse connection motherboard compatibility into a premium package that feels purpose-built for modern gaming systems. Compared with the MUSETEX Y6, the CORSAIR offers a more premium construction, advanced cable management options, and additional enthusiast-oriented features. Real-world performance is excellent, with strong airflow and a spacious interior that simplifies upgrades and maintenance. Builders who want both aesthetics and functionality will appreciate how much attention Corsair has given to usability. It's not the cheapest option on the list, but its feature set helps justify the investment. Halfway through the countdown, we arrive at one of the strongest budget-friendly options available. The MOROVOL 621 proves that you don't need a premium budget to get excellent airflow and attractive aesthetics. Featuring a diamond-shaped mesh front panel, tempered glass side panel, USB 3.0 connectivity, and 4 pre-installed RGB fans, this case offers tremendous value right out of the box. Compared with the Corsair 3500X, it lacks some premium construction elements and advanced features, but it costs significantly less while still delivering solid cooling performance. For first-time builders or gamers assembling a cost-effective system, the MOROVOL strikes an impressive balance between affordability and functionality. The GAMDIAS ADX mid-tower takes value a step further by adding something genuinely unique, an integrated temperature display (LCD), along with 3 pre-installed RGB fans, support for multiple cooling configurations, and tempered glass styling. This case gives users real-time thermal information without requiring additional software overlays. Compared with the MOROVOL 621, both cases offer excellent airflow and value, but the GAMDIAS pulls ahead thanks to its added monitoring capabilities and slightly more premium feature set. In real-world gaming and productivity environments, cooling performance remains strong, and the spacious interior makes installation refreshingly simple. It's a great choice for builders who appreciate extra functionality alongside visual appeal. The competition becomes fierce as we enter the top 3. The JONSBO D400 is a premium enthusiast case featuring one of the most distinctive designs on today's list. Its 3-dimensional beveled curved glass construction immediately sets it apart from traditional tempered glass cases. Beyond its stunning appearance, it supports dual 360mm radiators, BTF motherboards, ATX power supplies, and up to 10 fan positions. Compared with the GAMDIAS case, the D400 offers substantially more cooling potential and premium materials, targeting high-end gaming and workstation builds. Real-world assembly is surprisingly straightforward despite the advanced feature set, and the spacious interior provides excellent flexibility for future upgrades. If aesthetics and performance are equally important to you, the D400 deserves serious attention. The Geometric Future M5 is one of the most complete packages available today. Built with thick 1.2mm steel construction, tool-free panels, USB Type-C connectivity, support for 420mm radiators, and 5 pre-installed 140mm RGB PB fans, this case arrives ready for serious hardware. Compared with the JONSBO D400, the M5 focuses more heavily on airflow and cooling performance while still maintaining premium styling. Those larger included fans help deliver exceptional thermal performance right out of the box, reducing the need for additional cooling investments. Whether you're building a flagship gaming PC or a demanding workstation, the M5 handles powerful hardware with ease. Few cases on this list offer such an impressive balance between cooling, build quality, and convenience. Taking the top spot on today's countdown is the ANSAITE C9. This case makes a statement the moment you see it. Featuring dual tempered glass panels, USB Type-C connectivity, and an incredible 7 pre-installed PWM RGB fans, it offers one of the strongest out-of-box cooling packages in its class. Compared with the Geometric Future M5, the C9 focuses more heavily on visual impact and included cooling, while the M5 emphasizes premium construction and high-end expansion capabilities. In real-world gaming systems, the ANSAITE maintains strong thermal performance while showcasing components beautifully. Its spacious layout simplifies cable management and upgrades, making it a highly attractive option for builders who want both performance and presentation without paying premium flagship prices. That wraps up our list of the top 10 best mid-tower PC cases available today. Let us know in the comments which one is your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, And remember, all the links are in the description below.